Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be reviewing this absolutely gorgeous unit from Lavyhair, and I did try a new technique to installing this wig, which may or may have not been an epic fail but you guys definitely want to stay tuned for all of that, and without further ado, let's jump straight into it.
Shorty bad, slim, big. She might drug, she might fix. And I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the rich. She the plug, she finesse. She the one they call the gauche.
Alrighty you guys, let's get into this unboxing, and I must say I am so in love with this packaging. This is absolutely gorgeous, but let's get into what's inside. So it does come with a little leaflet that gives you all the information about Lavyhair as well as their social media platforms, and it also comes with 2 wig caps and of course the star of the show, the wig. You guys, I am so in love with these curls. Like, I love these curls. I feel like they are perfect for this vacation, summer season. You know, I'm sharing this is definitely going to be my go-to wig for the season, best believe. Alrighty y'all, so I just wanted to quickly show you how the wig looks fresh out of the box. No customization or anything done to it as yet, as I do. And I must say I noticed that the lace is just a tad bit darker than I am, so I'm not too crazy about that. But right now I'm just showing you guys how much parting space this wig has. I feel like for a lace frontal, I'm really happy about the parting space. And yeah, I'm really loving the density as well. You guys, Bendiko Wisha, I don't know what I was thinking. Trying a whole new technique for the very first time on camera. Like, I don't know who I think I is. But what's done is done. I will say, if you want to try this technique, you guys, make sure that your hair has absolutely no product in it. Because I believe the water that I used initially to tame the hair had a little bit of conditioner in it. So manje, that mixture combined with got to be glue and the heat from the blow dryer somehow made the hair dry with like a white residue, and we don't want that, okay, because that's not cute. So please just make sure that you just don't have product in your hair. Also, I would recommend that if you like want to use this technique, create baby hairs prior, and also like pluck the hairline prior if you need to, obviously. I actually really wish that I had created baby hairs prior to trying this technique, because as you guys will see, the lace does not blend as seamlessly as I would like into my skin. So I feel like if I had created baby hairs, I was gonna like kind of disguise that, you get what I'm saying? But yeah, I only realized once I cut the lace that and now the problem is I couldn't create baby hairs because the hair dries hard. But we live and we learn, right? So yeah, learn from my mistakes, kids. Learn from my mistakes. Honey, do you see these curls though? Do you see them coming back to life? Like, I am so taken by this hair, you guys. I absolutely love this curl pattern. So I decided to use serum instead of mousse because I wanted the hair to kind of dry with like its natural curl pattern. I didn't really want to go for the wet look, and I didn't want it to dry crunchy, so I used mousse just to kind of tame the flyaways and give the hair like that nice glossy finish, and I am in love, you guys. Like, blown away by this hair. So right now I am trying to pretty much blend the lace into my skin using this angled brush and a little bit of my foundation. Alrighty, my beautiful people, so we have come to the end of the video, but before I wrap things up, I just wanted to give you guys my final thoughts on the hair. And I must say, I am pleasantly surprised with the quality of the hair. Like, you guys, I can literally run my fingers through this hair without a problem, and that is unheard of. Well, at least from my experience, I've yet to come across wavy or curly hair that is this soft. This hair is so soft. It is literally silky soft, you guys. It's amazing. I will say that I did experience a little bit of shedding here and there, but nothing alarming, nothing too extreme. And from my experience, like, wavy and curly hair does tend to shed a little bit more than straight hair. I don't know why, but that's just how it be. But like, nothing that I can say, oh my gosh, it was bad. But yeah, there was quite a bit of shedding. And so far, I have not experienced any tangles, but then again, I mean, I haven't really worn the hair out. I will insert maybe a voiceover if I feel like it's necessary for me to clear that up, because I will wear the hair for quite some time before I post this video. So during the editing process, if I feel like, okay, I need to change something, I'll definitely put a voiceover and let you guys know that, nah, you know what, this has changed. But for now, I am really impressed with this hair. I will say that I wish that the hairline was plucked a little bit more. I feel like for now it's not super natural, but I think I'm also just lazy. I could have really just gone in and plucked it a little bit more by myself. So but I mean, I can't fault the wig for that, because that's not what the wig is. That's not the wig that I ordered. So I feel like for what this wig is, I am really impressed, you guys. Like, it's amazing, especially the quality of the hair. The wig is well constructed. The hair is true to length. Like, I literally cannot complain. Like, I cannot fault this hair. So yeah, like I said, the fact that the hairline was not really plucked to my liking is not a reason for me to fault the unit, because like I said, that's not the unit that I ordered. If I ordered a pre-plucked unit, then I would have something to complain about. You get what I'm saying? But for what this unit is and for this quality of hair, like, I'm in love. Alrighty, you guys, so that brings me to the end of the video. All the relevant information will be listed down in the description box and all the relevant links, so definitely go and check that out. And if I left any important information out, be sure to ask me in the comment section. You guys know that I love interacting with you guys, so definitely leave me a comment down below. And yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I love you all so much for watching. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Love and light to all.